Okay, everybody, Lin-E here, Campfire Girls. Welcome to Florida. Mill Dam, and here comes a boat. Here comes a boat. Watch out, Rosie. Watch out. And we are at the boat ramp, as you can tell. And look at the trees. Isn't it pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. They got a bear box. And hey, Lin-E here, Campfire Girls. And look what I'm doing in my van for the first time. I am cooking with my little mini cooker. I don't have my board underneath it because Rosie is on top of my boards. My board. Yeah, there's Rosie. She's getting into knowing the new Vanhalen build. But Lin-E's cooking. Yeah. I'm cooking me a ribeye steak burger. And I'll have cottage cheese, sugar-free ketchup, and blueberries. So, had a great day today. I know my hand's in the way. I'm still a little disoriented. We're not set up yet. The meetup starts tomorrow. We spent the day down at Debbie Jean's Trippy Hippie Camp. She invited us down so we could take a shower and recharge our batteries today. Very hospitable of her. Her little camp is not too far from here, so I got to meet Debbie Jean today, and I'm so excited because she's exactly who I thought she was. And I'm very honored to meet her. She's an angel in disguise. Love her to death. Anyway, I am so excited. I'm cooking my dinner in my van. All by myself. I can get everything inside my van. It's awesome. Talk soon. Oh, also, I think I already showed it on another video, but we've got vans pulling in. So, we're going to have to get up early and get in line. So we're going to bed early to get in line in the morning so we can get a sunny spot.
See you down there.
Okay, Lin-E here. Rosie's thrown in the back. They came and opened the gates up. So, we are headed into the meetup. Say yay! Finally, Rosie, hang on. Hang on, girl. We were kind of sitting outside. I had to throw in my chair and the ladder and everything else. I am so ready to get this stuff out of my van and clean my van and get set up for 3 days. We have been on the road. And there it is. And there it is. Kim. I see Kim. Let's zoom in. I see Cam. Well, let's see what spot we get.